Okay, so this is the trim of the door, and as y'all can see, it's gotten really, really bad. Let me get the bottom part over here. So that's the trim. Got wet over the years. And then this is the backboard. It's a 1 by, I don't know, 2 or something, or maybe 2.5, 3. And this trim goes all the way up on the outside. So you have this board, then this is the door. This is where the door ends right there. And then they put this guy, and then you got this trim. So I'm cutting a 45 here. I'm going to cut a 45 down here on this board. And I happen to have some of this board because I replaced another trim on another board. So I have plenty of this, and I have plenty of this guy. So all I did is measured up to about, I think it was 10 inches right here. Did a 45 with this guy. Yeah, I think everybody should have one of these. It's Sonic. What is it? Sonic Crafter Rock Oscillating Saw. Probably one of the best instruments you can have in your toolbox. So, anyways, that's where I'm going. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so we've cut down the pieces of wood. We primed them, and we managed to put this guy in, and we hit a I guess it's a 1 by 4 behind the jab of the door, which is this guy right here, and that's in with 2 wood screws. And then I'm using some, I think these are number 8, 3.5 inch long, and I already put one in there, and that's being held real nice. I've already leveled this off, and we're setting this guy in right in there. And then after this, we're going to caulk really well, and then we'll be done. So that's how you repaired it. You do need some tools to do it, but that's how you repair it. All right, later, bye.